So 17 million of you have seen this RainCloud humidifier, and so many of you guys have been asking me where I got it, so let's talk about it. So first of all, you can change the color to any color that you want, and it also has a feature where it will like cycle through the different colors. It has 3 levels of brightness intensity and also 3 levels of intensity for the raindrops. So I got mine on Amazon, but it has been sold out for like a really long time, and people have been asking me where they can find an alternative. So I found their official website, which is Weljoyzen.com, and they have like a free ship code on their website and stuff, and I think it says that it ships in like 7 to 10 business days. So if you need a last minute Christmas gift, this would be perfect.